Okay, Vipers. I think my big man is a good man, Mr. Lawrence Mourinho, but he's surrounded by people. Sometimes they mislead him or they divert him. Because me, I've spent in St. Mary's 17 years with the big man, and I've worked. St. Mary's, I've managed to win 8 trophies Coca-Cola, 11 trophies East and Central Africa, and I've managed to win 3 trophies. 2 trophies, something they would have been free. But because Kajoba came in, so now they are saying go land Kajoba. Who took this trophy? But 75% was me. So I count I've won 3 trophies, even 4, even the Super 8. I took it by BGKCC 2-0. So when we played the other game with Kajians United, many people approached him and said, Coach Kola should leave. It was not only me, even the CEO, even Mr. Mutindo, the technical director, even the head coach and the assistants. Our contracts were terminated. So up to now, I've never gone to Chitende. So that's why I've decided to join Toro United. Because at the moment, many teams had not failed to coach in Super Division. But I said no. In Super Division football, let me go back on the ground because I like young players. That's why in Vipers, I use younger players. These experienced players, I like them. But mostly, I like these young players because they've got that energy and they still like to play football. So when I go back to Toro, I'm going to do my best to see that team becomes a model team. I've already got some contacts from other coaches. They're going to give me players. Then I will assemble a strong team. So my ambition is to see that I take the team back to the Premier League.